Bob, Great Move Realty here. Get a lot of credit related questions, and to answer some of these questions, I brought in one of the top credit attorneys in the United States, Mr. Bob Willis with Credit Repair Resources. Bob, first question. What's the number one thing I should do to improve my credit score?
So that's a tough question because the answer is it depends on what your credit score is and what's on your credit report. Credit reports are like snowflakes. Everyone is different and unique. So the short answer is there really isn't any single thing you can do to improve your credit score other than obviously pay everything on time. And I'm sure we're going to talk about keeping credit card balances at 10% or below if they're not already.
Excellent. Thank you, sir.
My pleasure.